Hello, good morning, students. Today we have got something very interesting for you. Yes, students, we had been to the plants nursery. We had been for the field visit. Believe me, students, if you would have been with us for the field visit, you would have enjoyed to the fullest. But nevertheless, your teachers are always there to help you out. So, we teachers had been to the field visit and we have recorded the different types of flowers, plants, trees, so that our children will be able to see the different types of plants, flowers. So, students, you have to observe this video carefully and you'll have to learn through this video that there are variety of flowers, variety of plants. You will also be able to see the parts of the plant through this video. So students, let us observe carefully the different types of plants and the different types of flowers. This is office time with pink flowers. This is Dracaena red plant, Zinnia plant, balsam. Then we have variegated lily, Metrosideus, Padinus, lily, this is pink lily, Toroman, Furcera plant, Alminda plant. Then we have Moorpankhi, Golden Sassafras. Then we have red oleander, Hydrangea, Singapore Ixora, Collis. Then we have lemongrass plant, then Shami plant, red cotal, Chinese rose, chili hibiscus, Ixora, Helisonia dinalady, star tata, Caplera, and then Alpania. So students, you must have seen we have different variety of plants with different types of leaves, with different types of flowers. Students, you can observe these plants carefully. You will get to see the leaves of different color, different shape and size. Even you will get to see the different types of flowers. Observe this properly, students. This is Calcutta leaf. Then what you can see is now. So which plant is this? This is palm. Just observe, students, how they have planted this. What is needed for the plants to grow. So you can see the soil below. Now observe the leaves of this palm tree, students. See, the soil is needed for the plants or for the trees to grow properly. Along with the soil, what else is needed? Yeah, plants need sunlight, fresh air and water to grow. So students, how we human beings need food to survive, in the same way plants need soil, sunlight, water and fresh air to survive. Now just see, this looks like a bush, right? And so what they have done is, when they have planted this in a pot, they have placed a round ring around that plant so that it grows in a round form. See the stem of this plant, students. See how colorful these leaves are. Pink, red, yellow, green, right? Then what else we have? These leaves are looking like fan, right? This everyone knows now. Tell me, which plant is this? This is Christmas plant, right? Come on students, tell me which plant is it? It is Christmas plant. See here? Then see these beautiful flowers, pink flowers we have. So we will see the parts of the plant now. We can see the flower we can see the leaves, we can see the plant, and then this is a bird, right? So when the bird blooms, what do we get? We get flower, right students? So these are the parts of the plant. See, this is the white flower. So when the bird blooms, we get the flower. Then the names are placed already over there. Now just observe these leaves properly students. What we can see is these leaves are of green and white color in the front and at the back. The color of these leaves is brown or pink, right? Students, observe which plants are these now with the red flowers, white and yellow flowers. This is begonia plant. You can see how colorful the leaves are. So you can place these plants as the show plants in your balcony. Just see how many petals these flowers are having. They're having just 5 petals. If you want, you can count these petals, students. Only 5 petals were there, right? But for some flowers, there are more petals. Crystalia. Which plant was that? Crystalia. So these are the scientific names of these plants. See how beautiful this show plant looks. See the color of the leaves. Students, this is Panfooty. Observe the plant. See, which plant is this? Your mama, she uses in the kitchen while cooking the food. This is Pudina plant, right students? Now this is red lily plant. So we will get the red color lily on this plant. See how long the leaves are. This is the beautiful flower again with few petals. Not many petals are there onto it. This is chameli plant. You can see the white flower as well. Now this is Adusa plant. In English it is known as Malabar nut. It is a medicinal plant. This is the neem plant, which is again the medicinal plant. Very useful plant. It is bitter in taste. Okay, the neem plant is bitter. The leaves are bitter of this plant. Kadulimba. This is what it is called as in Marathi. So this is Sagrus plant. Then we have Ananta plant. This is Parijat. You can see the tiny buds of these plants which will bloom into the white flowers with orange stem. Now this is aloe vera plant. So this plant is again the medicinal plant which is very useful in treating the different diseases or the skin diseases. You can see how sharp the edges are of these leaves, and the leaves are long enough. Even some of them, they drink the juice of this aloe vera. So when you break this leaf into two, you will get the gel out of that. So this is one more bird again, pink bird we have seen, which will bloom now. This is the stem and these are the leaves. So again we will revise the parts of the plant, and this bird will bloom into the beautiful flower. Here it is. See, only 5 petals are there, students, right? Now just observe the different plants. Observe the leaves, flowers. Now see these tiny plants with the flowers on it. Yellow flowers are there. See, the leaves are so tiny. See this plant now with the long leaves. And after this we are going to have banana plant as well. Do you wish to watch that plant? Before that we will observe the tree, you can see, and even the fruits onto it. See how the fruits are grown on the tree, and you can see the tall tree. And this is the banana tree. Students, if you remember, we had eaten food on this, right? See the leaves. So these are the different types of plants and trees, if you can see, students. धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। Plants with different colorful leaves we have seen. वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। Even the shapes of these leaves are different. See, students? Now we'll get to see the marigold plant. See, the orange flower is there. And then this is the bird, which will bloom through the flower. Now see, what do we have over here, students? So the leaves, they have turned to the red color, and even they have changed the texture. They're soft enough. And then we have the birds and the flowers. So these are the flowers. And students, if you'll observe properly, you must have seen the ant on the leaf, and even if you'll see the insects, they have eaten this leaf, if you'll observe properly, students. And this is the tree again. See the trunk of the tree, how tall the tree is. See, this is a tree. So if you have noticed, students, trees are taller and plants are shorter, right? See this now, beautiful flowers. And what do I have now? So there was a small pond in that plant nursery, and this pond they have made to grow the lotus flower, right students? And what did I see over there? Observe now, I saw a frog into that pot. See how the frog is enjoying in the water. And which flower grows into the water? The lotus grows into the water, and the lotus is our national flower, right students? Now guess which plant is this? This is rose plant, right students? This is the bird, and then the bird will bloom to the flower. And now just see, observe properly. These are the thorns, they are very sharp. The thorns are there to the stem of this plant, right? Observe it properly, students. Now you'll have to observe all these plants and the flowers properly.
धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, हरी हरी हरियाली हो।
Now I'll show you one magic. Observe students. See? When you touch the leaves of this plant, the leaves close, right? See? This plant is called as touch me not. One more time. See how the leaves are closing when you touch the leaves. See? And these are the roots. So roots provide, they transfer the food to the plant, to the stem, to the leaves, to the flowers. And now these are the indoor plants. These plants don't need sunlight to grow. These are indoor, that means we can keep these types of plants in our house.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं। धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, लक्ष्य बनाएं हम लक्ष्य, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं।
So students, all these are the indoor plants. If you can see, they are covered, they are under the green roof. So for these plants, direct sunlight is not required. Now here again you will get to see the parts of the tree or the parts of the plant. So see the roots. See how they have come out. These are the roots of this plant. This is the stem, or you can call it as a trunk. And these are the leaves. See how big the leaves are. Now these are the hibiscus plants. You can see the flowers as well. Red, yellow, orange. Hibiscus flower. The favorite flower of Lord Ganesha, right?
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, लक्ष्य बनाएं हम लक्ष्य, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं। धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो। वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं। धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं। वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। लक्ष्य बनाए हम लक्ष्य, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष।
Students, see, even we saw the guava plant over there. You can see a small guava to this plant.
वृक्ष लगाए हम,
So this is a fruit, right?
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर
And this is basil plant.
आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष।
We call it as tulsi, right?
धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं।
Now here again, touch me not. Observe, students, what happens with the leaves when you touch them.
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष।
Now we have a climber,
मिलकर हम
and you can see the cucumber to this climber.
माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं,
As you all know, the climber
हम वृक्ष।
doesn't have a strong stem, right? So it needs the support to grow.
हरी हरियाली हो,
So this is the cucumber climber.
हरी हो। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। ऐसा
Now students, see, this is the cashew nut plant.
वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह
Observe the leaves, how different they are.
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष।
So this is the plant or the tree of cashew nut.
लक्ष्य बनाए हम लक्ष्य, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष।
Students, this is a papaya plant, and then this will grow to the tree.
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष।
This is chiku plant,
आओ मिलकर हम
and you will also get to see the chiku. See?
वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं। वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष।
So this will grow to a proper tree. And now we have sweet lime plant, and you will also get to see the raw sweet limes. The raw one are green in color.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष
See students?
आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष
Yeah, these are the sweet limes.
वृक्ष लगाएं
Green one, that means they are raw.
कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष लक्ष्य बनाएं हम लक्ष्य वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष
Now you can see the pink hibiscus flower. This is the bird.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं आओ
Now students observe these different types of pots which are used to plant the different plants. See, the shape and size of each pot is different. This is the hanging pot which you can hang, and this is used to roll the creepers around or the climbers around.
वृक्ष लगाएं आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं जगह जगह हम
These types of pots are used to plant the basil plant, that is the tulsi. You must be having at your home, right? And this is the soil which is required for any plant to grow. See? Now again we have the different types of rose plants with the different colorful flowers. Pink, red, orange.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष
This is the ramphal tree now. It's a type of a fruit.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो हरी हरी हरियाली जीवन में खुशहाली हो, ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं। जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, लक्ष्य बनाएं हम लक्ष्य, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं।
So students, I hope you must have enjoyed this online field visit to the plant nursery, and you must have seen different types of plants, different types of flowers, fruits, leaves, and you must have enjoyed this, right? So students, what did we learn through this field visit? We have learned that there are different types of plants and the trees, variety of flowers and the fruits. We saw the parts of the plant and the food required by the plant, right? Thank you students, and see you next time. Bye bye.